Do you have the key?
Is it forward? No, it ain't forward.
No.
Shit.
If I die,
Here
I'm
we
killing
go. There's the pool. Don't run into it.
Oh, you're taped.
Don't run into the shed. What are you doing?
You're
You're gonna run into the shed. You're
Ew, smart dad out. Oh my God, Katie!
You're gonna run into the tree. What are you doing? You're gonna like run into the pool and all the water's gonna fall out. Hey, it's Creepy World. I see the light.
Through here again.
Good luck with that. You're not gonna get it.
Oh, what now?
You're gonna run into the wheelbarrow and the stump.
The wheelbarrow.
The wheelbarrow. Guys, what? Go.
I will right now.
Go in the pool. It won't be any different. Because it's going to be clean next summer anyway.
Just walk
And I'm
through
gonna
How close are we to that tree?
Real close?
Really close,
I
yeah.
can touch it.
No dip.
Ooh, Katie's amazing.
Can I drive?
Okay, it's ready?
No, Emily. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God.
Katie, you're going to run into the pool. No, Katie, you're right next to it. Emily, you're right next to it.
Oh, look.
Katie, you're gonna run to the shed.
You were right.
You guys are trying to go. Oh, crap, I'm too...
Now you gotta turn. How are we gonna do that now?
God,
What now?
I thought the battery
You're gonna have to do a 3-point turn.
Did you know if the battery was dead, we'd have to, like, push it?
Oh, good luck with that.
Oh my God. How do you charge this?
With the battery.
We're gonna die.
No dip.
This is so fun.
Oh my God, Katie, stop it. Knock it off.
What is wrong?
Katie, you're gonna end up getting pulled over
Dude,
5
what is
times.
that? What is that? What is that?
It's one of her floaty things.
No, it's a pillow thing to keep, it's like, it's a cool, I don't know, it keeps it warm or something.
You have to keep your pool warm.
I don't know.
So it doesn't freeze.
It looks like a big wart.
I thought it was like somebody hiding in there.
Let's do that, it's crap. What? This is why I gotta go from
Now reverse. Now reverse.
What are you doing?
Turn that way. Turn that way now.
The stool?
Okay, well.
No, Katie, you're turning the wrong way.
You're not doing this very good. Here we go.
Katie,
Katie, you're gonna kill us.
Don't ever drive me to school, please.
Okay, Hannah, this is a golf cart. This is different.
You're not.
I know, but still.
And it's my backyard, I know what I'm doing.
Obviously, that's why you're going in circles. Trying to figure out how to get it back in.
It smells really weird.
Shut up. Get your mind out of the gutter.
Okay.
That's what she tells me.
It's alright.
I keep having to move my legs so you can reverse it and put it in forward or whatever.
What do you want me to do? Go one way?
I want you to park it so we can go. No. Shh. Shut up, Hannah.
You!
You're just like, you! My hair is getting in my...
Knock it off! Emily, are you recording this still?
3 minutes and 37 seconds.
This is so fun. You guys are so fucking scared. Did you know that?
Bye, Katie.
Why lie?
Because I'm
How
gonna
you
stop.
think you're getting out?
That's not what I
You
need.
just walk out.
Bye. I know, really.
I'll run you off.
You wouldn't.
You probably would.
I'm stuck. Alright.
Okay, bye.
Oh, shit.
4 minutes. That's probably...